Weather Authority. Meteorologist Francis Payton.
Well, good Tuesday afternoon. Right now we're sitting at 41 degrees, just dealing with some light cloud cover above. It is a touch breezy, but we have a high pressure system in control of our weather pattern today. So that's why weather remains very quiet today as our barometric pressure is at 30.36. So that's a decent high pressure that is in control. However, we are tracking a low pressure system that is going to race across the mid-south and bring us some winter weather tomorrow for a few locations. Other temperatures across the area currently, we're staying at 38 in Louisa, 39 in Chester, 40 in Tappahannock, and 45 in West Point. So it is a chilly, dry day today, dealing with some mostly sunny skies. Again, we have just that light cloud cover currently, and it is breezy. But there you have very quiet conditions currently on your satellite and radar. As I mentioned, this system is going to race across the mid-south. That's exactly what it's doing. Currently seeing that low pressure system near Colorado, as well as the northern portion of Texas and just the panhandle, clipping into the panhandle of Oklahoma. So that's the low pressure system that we're watching. We do have winter weather advisories, watches, as well as warnings that are in place. Folks that are going to see the majority of that snowfall, that pretty snowfall, will actually be in the higher elevations and in the Shenandoah Valley as well as the Roanoke Valley. But we're likely going to experience a bit of ice with this system. So breaking it down for you, looking at an early glaze possible for areas along the I-95 corridor. So basically, we're likely going to see just a light glaze. It's unfortunate, we probably won't see really much snowfall. It looks like snowfall is going to occur well west of our viewing area. But for us, we could see the potential of an additional inch to even an inch and a half of rainfall, which is not what we need because we're close to already 60 inches for the year, and we're actually at the 5th wettest for the year in terms of rainfall. Let me break it down for you. Starting at 6 o'clock in the morning, your temperatures are going to be below freezing, if not at freezing. So that's where you see a bit of an early morning glaze. This system is a nor'easter. As it continues to move northward, we're looking at some rainfall for the central Virginia area, areas closer towards Charlottesville, as well as areas closer towards the Blue Ridge Mountains, seeing that wintry snow to ice mixture. So commuting will be quite difficult if your commute takes you along Interstate 64, especially closer towards Afton Mountain. Past Afton Mountain, that's where you're going to see some snowfall through the area. As for Central Virginia, we're just looking at a cold, wet, rainy day for us, and those rain showers linger into late Wednesday night. In terms of snowfall, as you see, the Shenandoah Valley likely seeing anywhere between 3 to 5 inches. Not looking too likely for us, but we could likely see a bit of some ice throughout the area. So just an early morning glaze. If you can hang at home for an additional 30 minutes and wait for it to turn to rain, I would do so. So that's what you have in top for Wednesday. The remainder of the week just remains very cool as well as sunny. Cheryl?